Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows quickly when I need to be out the door. So I get my NYX Tame & Frame Tinted Brow Pomade in Blonde. I get my BH Cosmetics brush. I dip a little inside. This is what I do. I just run it through the edge and make my tail show how naturally I have. I grab some more product. Fill it in my sparse spots. Same thing here. I just start filling in my sparse spots, making my eyebrows look similar, close to the same as I can get. This one I made accidentally darker. Just run my finger through it. And then I get my e.l.f. clear brow and mascara gel. And I just run it up and run it through, trying to not get too much product in this because I like to keep it nice and clean. I run it through and it'll stay put. Shape it. No, this is actually ready. Run it a little too much on the side. Okay, back in. So yeah, that's how I do my makeup. Well, my eyebrows when I'm in a rush and I just want to have nice, filled in, natural looking brows. Just not anything too much. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little quick tutorial.